In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find username in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly where to see your TradingView username using the profile page and where to confirm it inside account settings. First, open TradingView. Use the website in your browser or the desktop or mobile app. The steps are the same for finding your username. Now, move to the top right of the screen and click your profile icon. It may show your photo, initials, or a generic avatar. This opens your Account menu. Next, click Profile. This takes you to your public profile page. Your username is displayed at the top of the profile page. It's shown prominently near your name and avatar, and it's the handle other users see on TradingView. Take a second to read it carefully so you capture it exactly as shown. That's all you need for the primary method. Alternative, you can also confirm your username from your account settings if you prefer to view it alongside your account details. Click Settings, then Account and Billing. This opens your account area where key information is grouped together. Your username is shown under Account Information. Look for the username label and read the value exactly as it appears. This is the same username you saw on your profile page, now displayed within your account settings for quick reference. Thus, at this point, you've successfully found your username in TradingView using the profile page, and you've seen where to verify it under Account and Billing. Your setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.